Ask me why you should care about paintless dent repair.
Why should I care about paintless dent repair?
Caleb, do you care about money?
Yep.
Okay, then you should care about paintless dent repair. Let me explain what it is. Well, I'll ask you a question. Have you ever come out from a shopping center, church, restaurant, bar, party, whatever, and found that someone dinged or dented your vehicle rudely?
Yep.
What'd you do about it?
Nothing.
You probably just got mad, right?
Said damn and got in the car.
Did you even look into what it would cost to get a ding or dent fixed? Okay. Smaller ones, about $60, up to the bigger ones, about $150. Okay? Now, you didn't pay to have those fixed, but you did pay for them, Caleb. You know how?
How?
When you trade or sell your vehicle, someone's going to deduct from the value of that vehicle for every ding or dent you have. Okay? Now, here's what we're going to do for you. On a Motor Trend certified vehicle, we're going to provide you 6 months of paintless dent repairs. We will fix an unlimited number of dings and dents for you at no cost to you at all. We'll keep your vehicle looking better longer. No money comes out of your pocket, so we're lowering your cost of ownership, and hopefully we're helping you increase your resale value. Now, if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, Caleb, and I'm going to guess you probably do, make sure you check with one of our finance people. They'll show you how to stretch that coverage out to 5 years. But the first 6 months, on us. Cool?
Cool.